Okay, so today we're going to talk about the different ways we could build area models for multiplication. So if you remember at the beginning of the year, we used these little red linear pieces to build our area models. So if I was going to do 2 times 3, I would do 2 times 3, and then I would fill it in with my colored tiles. So I would easily be able to see that 2 times 3 gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's our very basic area model. Now we're going to take this area model and take it to the next step. So say I want to do a number like 10 times, let's go a little harder than 10. Let's do 12 times 13. If I want to do 12 times 13, I'm sure you remember these pieces. So here's our 100 grid. Here's our strip or our 10. And then here is our unit. Okay, and if you remember, we have this little blue pieces. So again, a strip. And then our units are right here. Okay, so the blue ones are going to be what we use to outline our area model. So if we do 12 times 13, and do 10, 11, and 12, and then multiply by 13, so take another strip, 10, take out these little guys, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, so now you see we have a strip by a strip, and I can easily see that I can fit a grid right in there. I'm going to go ahead and fill in the rest of my area model. So I know I can put a strip right here. I know I can put a strip here and a strip here. Okay, and then I'm going to go towards the bottom. I can see I can fit a strip right there. I see I can fit one more strip. And then this little area right here where I see I can only fit units. Go ahead and fill the rest with units. I'm sure some of you see that it will be 6 units. Give me a second to take out my little pieces. Okay, so now we've built our area model for 12 times 13. So you see right here is 100. 3 strips, we have 30. 2 strips, 20 more, and then 6 ones. So 100 plus 30 gives me 130. Plus 20 more gives me 150. Plus 6 gives me 156. So if you think about that, we can actually draw that on paper. I could go ahead and draw this exact area model on paper. Move this carefully. All right, so if I take my paper and I want to do 12 times 13, we're going to break it up just like we did with our blue area model markers. So I can do 12 on the side again, so I'm going to draw a long strip for 10, 11, 12. And then for 13, I'm going to draw a long strip for 10. 1, 2, 3. So 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, and then same exact thing applies. I see right here, I can fit my hundreds grid. So this is 100. 10 times 10 gives me 100. I see that this can be a strip, a strip, a strip. So I know 10, 10, 10. I see this can be a strip and a strip. 10, and 10, and then I would have my ones. Okay, so I have again 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 151, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Okay, so there's how those directly correlate, and you could draw it on paper. Now I could also draw it on paper where we do 12 times 13 and we break the numbers apart in a rectangle. So I can draw the whole rectangle and then say I want to split 12 into 10 and 2. And draw a line about here. So here's my 10, here's my 2. Say I want to split 13 into 10 and 3. Here's my 10, here's my 3. So again, we have the same picture drawn just in rectangles now. 10 times 10, 100. 10 times 3, 30. 10 times 2, 20. 3 times 2, 6. Same exact numbers we had in our area model that we built. I hope this helps you guys solve through some of your problems today. As always, reach out to your teacher if you have any questions.